Welcome back to Quiz Schwiz. Hey folks, get ready to pick your favorite gift. Pink, blue, or gold? All right, it's time. Pick your house. Time's up. Let's see what you picked. Now tell us, which house did you choose? Three boxes, 3 bedrooms, 1 questionable lifestyle. Pick yours in 5 seconds. If you picked blue box, you've got serious style. Choose your living room. Your personality reveals itself by the living room you choose. I chose the pink one. What about you? Choose your swimming pool. Pick the pool that feels like your perfect summer escape. I chose gold one. Wow. Choose your challenge. Spin in a circle 3 times, sit and stand 5 times, or subscribe to this channel. You have got 10 seconds to complete this challenge. Your time starts now. Time's up. Comment below the challenge you took on. Choose your water park. If you chose pink box, you're officially summer ready. Choose your tube for slide. Which gift would you like to open? Pink, blue, or golden? Choose your wave pool. You've got 5 seconds. Pick your perfect splash zone. Tropical, wild, or chill, the choice is yours. Choose your hammock. No wrong choices here, just vibes. Pick a box and let's see what you got. Choose your life jacket. Sei una brava persona. Now tell us, which life jacket did you go with? Choose your jet ski. Time's up. Let's see your ride. Which one's taking you across the waves in style? Now choose your task. Like the video if you chose pink gift box. Subscribe to channel if you chose blue gift box. And share the video if you chose golden gift box. You've got 5 seconds to complete this task. Your time starts now. Time's up. Task completed. Prove it in the comments. Choose your airplane. If the golden box was your pick, say hello to your airborne palace. Choose your car. No wrong answers here. Just good taste. You've got 5 seconds to pick your car. Choose your helicopter. Choose your flying car. Choose your tent. Sei una brava persona. Choose your paraglider. Choose your hot air balloon. Choose your hoverboard. Sei una brava persona. Choose your comment. Comment your favorite color if you chose pink box. Comment your name if you chose blue gift. And comment your favorite quiz if you chose gold one. Choose your tree. Sei una brava persona. Choose your swing chair. Choose your home library. Sei una brava persona. Choose your gaming room. Choose your TV. Sei una brava persona. Choose your laptop. Here comes a break quiz. Let's test your memory. Remember the position of all the animals. Ready? Let's continue. Let's check how sharp your memory is. Where is the lion located? The lion is hiding behind the gold gift. Choose your smartwatch. Choose your camera. Sei una brava persona. Choose your mobile. Choose your Xbox controller. Choose your fountain. Choose your shower. Choose your suitcase. Can you find the triangle-masked worker from Squid Game? Look closely. Don't miss it. Here it is. You found it. Good job. Which mug matches you? Choose your dream jacuzzi. Sei una brava persona. Pick your perfect cozy nook. Pick your aquarium. Choose your massage chair. Sei una brava persona. Pick your outside bar. Pick your dream yacht. Sei una brava persona. Choose your bathroom. Choose your coffee maker. Choose your keychain. Choose your butter dish. Sei una brava persona. Break time. Let's test how sharp your brain really is. Can you find the 3 hidden words in this image? Your time starts now. Time's up. It's apple, axe, and age. Did you get them all? If yes, you're a genius. Pick your flag. Choose your clock. Sei una brava persona. Choose your mic. Choose your monitor. Sei una brava persona. Pick your violin. Pick your coin. Choose your drum. Choose your guitar. Sei una brava persona. Sei una brava persona. Pick your purse. Sei una brava persona. Pick your water bottle. Pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe.